What's up, guys? Today I'm going to do a really quick review on the Aztek Siren scooter deck. So I've had this deck for about a week now, and it is definitely the best scooter deck that I've ever had. This is a 6-inch wide scooter deck, so it's actually the widest deck out there. Now, this is considered a street scooter deck, but I really like this for riding ramps, grinding rails, riding mini ramps, all the park and the street stuff. The reason is I'm about 6 feet tall, about 200 pounds, and this deck just makes me feel more comfortable. It allows me to sit back a little bit on the deck so I don't feel like I'm gonna flip over my handlebars. It's also great for grinding. So I've been skateboarding for about 20 years. So I'm used to having, an 8.75 inch deck, a really wide skateboard deck. So having a wider scooter deck makes me feel more comfortable with grinds, and I don't really slip out. So especially in the mini ramp, I don't really slip out and fall out of grinds as easily. I've rigged it here. I cut the brake, stuck it upside down, and this allows me to grind without coming in contact with the wheel, tearing up the wheel and stopping. So yeah, so I've got this set up with 30-inch proto bars. I think they're 24 or 28 this way, 30 inches tall. I've also got proto grippers wheels. Now I've got the, looks like Root Industry SCS, and then I've actually got Phoenix Force, like the rest of the scooter, like the headset and the forks and everything, because I had a cheap $100 complete scooter, and I just bought that, and as soon as I bought it, I enjoyed riding it so much that I wanted to upgrade to something bigger that could actually fit my feet, because I usually wear 11 and a half shoe, so something a little bit bigger. And yeah, I really enjoyed it. Yeah, this scooter is huge. You can't walk around the house without hitting the wall with this scooter. But yeah, so everybody at the skate park will see the scooter and just be, what is that? It's the biggest scooter I've ever seen, but it rides great. It's very comfortable just for cruising around, but it's also, in my opinion, the best setup for doing tricks, especially if you're a bigger guy. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'm gonna do some like a more in-depth review of this deck after I learn some more tricks. The last few days riding it, I've learned how to do tail whips, 360s, X-ups, if that's a scooter trick, bonelesses. That's what I call it skateboarding. I don't know if it's that's what it's called. It might be called no comply on a scooter. Yeah. So I've learned a lot of tricks. I've learned how to do board slides, feebles, front feebles. I've learned how to do disasters, all kinds of mini ramp tricks with it. So I could not have learned those tricks with the tiny deck that came with that complete scooter and those tiny bars. Like, I could not do anything. I could not do a tail whip. But as soon as I got this, it was so much easier. So what I'm saying basically is, if you're a bigger guy, you gotta get a bigger scooter. This scooter is about the size to my body as like a normal complete scooter is to like a 10-year-old or somebody that would buy that kind of scooter. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, reviews, tutorials, and just videos about what I'm learning as I grow as a filmmaker, then hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.